Hello everybody, it's just me and Jax reporting live from the apartment. Jax, you look like such a distinguished gentleman right now. This is my distinguished gentleman, Doge. Anyways, I'm kind of excited right now, kind of nervous. I have my first job thing that I'm doing here in New York City. I'm going to be a guest on the show called POVs, hosted by Sophie Barron, who's the founder and CEO of this nonpartisan platform called The Conversationalist that kind of brings Gen Z together to talk about topics that are either stigmatized or very polarized to kind of help them find common ground and share with the world like where Gen Z gets their perspective on these issues that the world is facing right now. And I was invited as a celebrity guest to be on their YouTube series, and I'm gonna be going on talking about boob blurb, about what I've been doing on my channel. I think I'm nervous because it has been an anxiety filled week with the move and everything and just like shit that I've been going through. Hasn't been easy. Hopefully I don't bomb it. I don't think I'll bomb it. Like, they're gonna ask me questions about myself. Like how, like I know myself, you know? It's not that hard. The hard part is the fact that I'm in this brand new city that I don't really know that well. So I think it's the discomfort that comes with that, like going into new territory and doing something a little out of your comfort zone. I also am carrying this like weird sense of calmness with me into this. Yes, Jax, tell him. I'll give you guys a BTS when I'm on set.
So I arrived at the set and it was so cute and everyone was so nice. I literally wasn't even nervous anymore and I was just super excited.
Okay guys, I've arrived on set. I'm gonna get mic'd in a sec and then we're gonna start the interview. Sophie's already been the sweetest. You guys will get to see her and meet her. And yeah, I'm excited to see how this goes. This lighting.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's really good. Sophie and I just wrapped our episode.
Guys.
How good was that?
Okay, Hailey is an icon, like truly. Y'all are so lucky to have her in your life. I feel that way now too.
Oh, I'm
Killed
so
it.
happy we met.
Me too. Now she's in New York, so she's not getting rid of me. We're gonna take you on many adventures around the city, Broadway musicals, restaurants. We're gonna play boob blurb in random places all around the city. It's gonna be great.
I would love that. You need to watch this when it comes out. Like, I feel like I was very vulnerable. You made it so comfortable for me to be so I appreciate that.
Well, it's all you.
You should watch the rest of the episodes. I'll link the POV's channel down below.
I'd say my first New York show was definitely a success.
So I got back from the shoot and I kind of want to show you guys the current status of our apartment because we've been here for 3-4 days now and it's still a fucking mess. I don't know what to do. Here is the entryway at the moment. Here is the front door. We kind of blocked off this entire path with all the boxes that we still have. The problem is we have shit. We just don't have like wardrobes or cupboards or drawers or anything to put the shit in. Everything that already was like an empty drawer has already been filled with other boxes. Like this entire space was filled with boxes. So this is what we have left right now. We finished the kitchen the first day. Like we unpacked everything kitchen related super early on. That's kind of like one of the only complete parts of the apartment at the moment. We put the bar cart right here. We're still using the same white couch that I had back in my downtown apartment, the same coffee table. And then this is actually the TV that's just sitting on these random drawers right now. We were hoping we could like put it on the ledge over there, but it wasn't wide enough, so it didn't fit. This is where the TV was sitting on in my downtown apartment, this little like TV stand, but we just can't find the parts. Because this is a curved TV, we needed like different parts, so we ordered that, so we're still waiting on that. We definitely need a bookshelf because I feel like the books look kind of weird just like lined up against like that, and it's kind of blocking off the view. So we need to figure out like a bookshelf situation. I'm thinking maybe like right here we could have a nice little bookshelf. But then again, there's all these boxes right there. We don't know what to do with those. This I figured out. We have like our little office drawers and like our junk drawers over here, and then we put the printer over there, and then my Dyson is just hanging out back there. Oh my god, I almost fell. Jax, did you hear me? Oh, whoa, you look so fashionable. This is the living room situation. Look how many boxes there still are. Like, I don't know what we're gonna do with this. And then I kind of set up my room. It looks pretty similar to the downtown one. Shelf moment, my little vanity moment. This entire box is filled with hangers. Usually I'm always running out of hangers. I've never seen this many hangers out and about at once, so that's pretty refreshing. More boxes that I can't unpack because I don't know where I would put the stuff in them. This just in. This little wardrobe got here today, and bless my mother, she put it together, and then I put my stuff in it. So I put all my like dresses and skirts in there. I put more like skirts and like fancy shorts. And then this, I'm making like my workout drawer, like workout clothes. So like towels, linens, we don't know where to put those. All these jackets, like there's no more space in the closet. And here's the thing, I gave away so much stuff. So I already cleaned out my closet, you know? Like this is leftover and it still doesn't really fit. This little thing is just there temporarily, and then this big ass bed that we need to put the bed skirt in. And then this carpet is here temporarily as well because Jax can't go on the bed unless there's carpet around it because he gets scared. My mom and I are gonna go to TJ Maxx. There's a lot of leftover space up there and we need all the storage that we can use. So we're gonna see if we can find like 2 huge boxes that maybe we could put like extra linens or extra toiletries that we have that I don't really know where to put. So that's our mission number 1. And then mission number 2, my bathroom is right here. We need a shower curtain because every day it literally turns into a pool over here. Thankfully, they were smart enough to make all these mirrors like cabinets, but don't worry, I filled them up in the first like 10 minutes that we got here. Here's our toilet, taking some awesome shits in there already. Drinking a poppy, because you know me. Let's go to TJ Maxx. Oh my goodness, it's a Doge. Jack. Baby. They didn't really have anything we were looking for at TJ Maxx, which is sad because we walked 20 blocks here. What they did have is shower curtains. So at least that's off the list. And then the hooks. And then olive oil. Why does every mom need to buy olive oil when they go to TJ Maxx or like Marshall's? Okay guys, today is the day where we tackle the remainder of this shit because today all the IKEA furniture came, all the drawers. We finally have room to put away all the shit that's been in the boxes that we haven't been able to unpack. Now we have a place to put it. I got my mirror, the spice rack. We're gonna start with the spice rack. Also, it's very much hurricane season in New York, and 5 seconds ago we had this crazy motherfucking storm come out of nowhere, like so crazy that you like could not see New Jersey. Like that's how crazy of a storm it was. And I guess one of these windows was open and we didn't realize, and now everything got so fucking wet. I don't know if I can show these to you because they might be like personal documents, but all my mom's documents got wet. Now my mom is in a bad mood. The most Libra thing about me is everyone around me needs to be in a good mood in order for me to be in a good mood. If someone's vibe is off, my vibe is off. Especially if it's my mom, then I'm like, oh, like I'm just telling her, you know, we just gotta champion ourselves through this. I've never used that term before ever in my life. Is that how you use it? Sounded right. Yeah, look at all this shit. Like, yeah, it's giving me anxiety. Like, first of all, what the hell is this? All this shit, and I don't know where I'm gonna put any of it, and it just keeps going and going. Oh, money. Look at this. Oh God. Like everywhere you look.
Have you seen this photo of Jax jumping?
Where? Let me see it. It's kind of iconic. You guys, also like we don't know where to put this TV. It's just like, well, hey, maybe we should just use it as a funny mirror in the entrance. Anyways, one thing that I do know is we got the spice rack. So I'm gonna start off by organizing the spices because that's something to do. How should I do this? Wow, the spice rack is not even gonna fit these spices. This didn't do anything.
That's very stupid spice rack. Return it.
Well, I guess what we could do is just...
Say what? Come in. Hello. No, nutmeg has like a hallucinogen in it.
Let's trip on nutmeg. I don't really know how much space this saved us necessarily. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is build this. It's like a little cart that goes in your bathroom. I'll show you. Bought one for Nil also, and she already made hers, but she didn't want to make mine. This is what it looks like. Everything that you see in this video that's like organizational, I will link it down below. I probably got it on Amazon or something like that. Like my bathroom is also set up like this, so I'm also gonna put mine over there. So let's go make it. You know I'm gonna be watching Gossip Girl in the background because that is the only respectable way to build furniture or do anything while you're at it. Okay. I'm also really good at making furniture out of a box. Like, I can do that really well because my whole life I moved. So IKEA was basically my second home.
Gossip girl here.
Okay, now that I've built it, let's go put it in the bathroom. Okay, so like, I'm mad right now because this is Nil's cart. I just like brought it here to see. And like, if I had gotten the bigger one, it would have fit also. I just like thought that it would be annoying if I'm just peeing and like I have all the shit right next to me. Nothing fits in this. Like, this is literally like, doesn't really hold anything. So do I return it and then buy the bigger one? Or like, I already have it, it's right here, I built it. Do I just fucking use this? Because this is Nil's one and like, see how much roomier it is? This is so fucking frustrating. Also, like, first world problems as fuck. Like, I don't really care that much, but still. This is everything that I wanted to fit in here. If it fits, then I'll keep it. Okay, this shit doesn't fit shit. We're getting the other one. Ugh, I'm so fucking annoyed. So technically I did no work today. I have to take this apart. I'm doing more work. And I lost energy. Yeah, this is going great. Okay, now that that was a failed mission, let's move on. I got these jewelry organizers from Amazon, and I've always wanted something like this because usually I just like toss everything into the same little container. These are like stackable, like this, so you can get a bunch and then have them all be on top of each other and then like, you know, whatever. They're velvet, they're nice. I'm gonna transfer all my jewelry into these boxes. I got these organizers for underneath my cabinet and my sink because right now everything's just kind of like laid out. I feel like that's not the best use of space. However, I only got one of these because it was fucking expensive. It was $38 for these tiny ass drawers. So I only got one because I feel like, let's say I build this, I like it, and then I buy one 3 days later. I feel like I'm not spending as much money, even though I am. Like, the same amount of money is coming out of my pocket, but because I'm not doing it at once, I feel better about it. Also, like, I just wanted to buy one, see if I like it before I went ahead and bought two. Because 38, what's that, $76 or something? Quick math, let's build it. Hopefully I don't have to take it apart in 20 minutes. That's fun. Ever since I lost my voice, my singing has not been good. I mean, usually it's never good, but now it's like worse. It's honestly kind of fucking with my confidence. One of my alter egos is Hannah Montana. You know, like when you were a kid and you wanted to be like a singer like Hannah Montana? I don't know. At least I did. I feel like, did we all have the same experience? We all wanted to be her, or like famous singer like her. And then like you grow up and then that's, you know, you don't think that anymore. I still do. I still want to be Hannah Montana, and I'm 21, and here I am building this shelf, which I'm struggling with because I'm too lazy to go get a screwdriver, but I can't do this with my fingers. Why did they give me 5? Is this a trick question? I usually would have used a manual one for these tiny ass screws, but Nil is using that because she's building something. We're just a family of Bob the Builders. We're all just Bobs, bobbing it. I love this machine. After my phone and my laptop comes this. Oh God. Air, oh. Guys, this smells really bad. Why won't it go in? That's what she said. I know you're not supposed to do that, but it worked, so don't tell me what to do. Ta-da! Why the fuck was this thing $38? Like, if it was 20, I would have bought 3. Now, let's go put it in my bathroom. So this is what it currently looks like. How should I do this? And this way, I can put stuff in here, and then I can also use this top part. Maybe I should buy another one of these. Who needs this many hairbrushes? I made it look like this. This is really annoying me, the fact that like this doesn't fit there and it's like hanging off. I put my hairbrushes in here. This is like extra backup shit when I run out. And then I put all my like cotton stuff over here. Like if I were to get another one of these and put it here, I just don't know if the storage room it gives is enough to hold everything in here, you know? So I think I'm just gonna leave it at that. Once I put the little cart over there and then fill that up too, maybe stuff will empty out and there'll be more room, and then I could get another one of these because I really like how I organize it like this. I have like hair accessories and like bandanas and shit over here, and then all my scrunchies and hair bands in here.
The next day I got my dresser and I started organizing it with my undies and my socks. Yeah, great times.
Okay, you guys, one of the last, actually no, what am I saying? My mirror has arrived, so we're gonna set it up. I got it from IKEA and it was $200, and there is very much like a gold theme going on in my bedroom. I don't know who decided on that. Realistically, it just kind of happened, and then I decided to go with the flow. Wait, there are instructions on installing a mirror. I just wanted to go on the wall. It's very easy. I should just put it. It's a lot heavier than I thought. I guess I need to like mount it onto the wall in case of an emergency. It doesn't like topple on my head. So that means that I can't do it on my own. Things are happening indeed.
So this mirror was an absolute bitch to get onto the wall. Like no matter what we did, we just could not get the hooks into the mounts on the wall. But then we just started laughing about it because we literally struggled with it for over an hour. We finally got it at the end, but yeah, it took a lot of effort.
We didn't get it on the wall, if you can tell.